Every time Meta pushes another update, advertisers feel it, agencies feel it, rules get tighter, compliance gets heavier, and your ad creative, the thing that's supposed to bring in sales, gets flagged, throttled, or ignored. And people are frustrated. They're saying the ad costs are too high, their creatives look the same as every competitor, and AI tools are spitting out the same generic, low-energy slop, no-brand voice. No accuracy, no results. But here's the truth. The winners in 2025 are not the ones who complain about Meta's changes. The winners are the ones who adapt faster, smarter, and with better tools. And that's exactly where AdGenius AI comes in. This thing is powerful. It's not just another AI text box. It's dual AI technology, intelligent image generation, plus strategic copy frameworks that sound like the brand, stay consistent, and keep you compliant. It fixes every big problem marketers talked about all week. Confusing interfaces? Gone. Generic AI output? Eliminated sloppy visuals? Fixed with scroll stopping, on-brand creatives. Compliance worries? Handled automatically. Brilliantly. It's like having a full creative team that never gets tired, never guesses, and never hands you something that looks like every other ad in the feed agencies get faster turnaround. Small businesses finally compete, marketers get their time back, and the best part, there are free bonuses waiting to be claimed, but they won't be there forever. Click the link in the bio before they're gone. If you want to know everything about this tool, features, pricing, walkthroughs, visit theproductoasis.com and search AdGenius AI, or just follow the link in the description below this video.